Ladies and gentlemen, there has been massive volume in the past few days for Gala Games. It is by far the highest volume for a lower market cap coin. Because if you look at the top, let's just look at real quick. I'm going to go to Coin Market Cap. This is big too. If you're wondering why I'm talking about this is what's going on right now. If you're in the top 100 coins, look at the highest volume of these. And then you go down a little, and then you see Gala here. Look at the market cap on this, 1 billion. Now, Waves is also a low market cap. But besides that, everything 6 billion and up. Most of them 20 billion and up. And then you have to go all the way down to this one, UMA, that I don't know much about, to be under a billion. So the reason I'm telling you this right now is because first you're going to hit that like and subscribe button. Boom. All right. So we're going to get into why that's so important. Because look at this chart right here. Look at this chart. We're going to go. I'm going to get my face out of the way, and then we're going to get into it. All right. So this is unbelievable what's going on right here. It is going to break out of this and just go all the way up to here if it breaks out of that. So we need Bitcoin to continue to be hot. Now, what's been going on with Gala is it hasn't been going nuts lately. We need like a big run up. So here's Bitcoin. If you're new to crypto, just know that Bitcoin controls everything. So most of the time I look at technical analysis, you got to look at Bitcoin too, because, you know, you see this little boost in volume here in the last few days, and then boom, huge green candle, but it's only really hit Bitcoin. But the cycle is usually people take their Bitcoin profits and they dump them in the altcoins, and then altcoins run. So what I'm hoping happens here is we get a little bit more push out of Bitcoin, even if it pulls back just a little bit, and then we burst out of this on heavy volume. Because if we burst out of here, if we can get to 30 cents right here, not even 28 cents, if we can get to 28 cents in the next few days, it's probably going to go right to here, almost instantaneous. So that's a good 30%. So we just got to get to here. I'll go to the hour to see. It's been fighting with this line. It's got to get past here, or else it's just going to consolidate more. So if you watch this video in a week and you're like, oh, it's at 19 cents now, I'm never watching Ryan Dins again. He's an idiot. He doesn't know what he's talking about. I'm not saying that's not going to happen. What I'm saying is if it bursts out of here, it's going to fly. So it might end up here, then hit here again, then here. But it's got to make a decision by the end of this. Because almost every time you see a wedge pattern like this, it's happened time and time and time and time again with different cryptos, with different stocks, is it's either going to go south here and then probably end up here at like 10 cents, which would be horrible, or it's going to go north and it could end up anywhere in the short term, but it'll probably end up here within the next year. And it's really, we haven't seen a decision like this from Gala since it's been on Coinbase. Now, granted, if you move this here, there was a breakout before right there. And it did exactly what I'm telling you. Like, this is proof that what I'm saying works. What I'm saying right now is it broke out of here. It went from 15 cents to 40 cents. That's over 100%. Now, if it breaks out of here, it's probably going to go to here. It might take a while, but that's well over 100%. It's almost 400%. Like I said, it might take a while, and you can make smaller plays. If it breaks out of here, it goes to here. There's a little resistance here. Sell some, wait till it goes back here, buy more, but know that it's eventually going to go here. And I'm not just speculating here. I'm telling you that if Bitcoin goes north and Gala Games continues to put out good products, which they are, this is going to fly. One of the reasons I'm heavily invested in Gala right now and buying more, I'm really looking at what's happening right here, is because let's say hypothetically Bitcoin goes to right here. Let's say Bitcoin goes to here, 75,000. That means Bitcoin's going to see like, I don't know, 70, 80% gain. But a lot of these altcoins are going to see okay gains, like, okay, just take, for example, Solana. If Bitcoin does that, you're going to see a 200% gain from Solana, right? Let's look at Ethereum. If it does that, you're going to see a 100% gain from Ethereum. But Gala, you're going to see a 400% gain. So if you're betting on alt season continuing, crypto bull run continuing, why not go for the biggest gains? Now, if you look at my other videos, I've called these breakouts time and time again. Look, I drew this trend line a long time ago. Boom. Here's another trend line. It broke out. Now, it didn't break out and fly like I expected it to. But if you caught it here, you still got a decent gain. And it's following this trend line like over and over. These breakouts, put it this way. If it breaks out of this, is it going to go to here right away? Maybe not, but it's probably going to at least go to here, which is still over 50%. So you just got to be smart. Take your profits when you see them. But maybe, sell half of them there. See what happens. Because all we need is the bull run to start going nuts. Remember the hysteria we had in October, November? If that happens here, boom. It's going to fly. So do your own research, but really look into what Gala's been doing. I mean, if you go to crypto gaming, now look at this. I'm just going to show you another reason why Gala's big. Look at the big players in this game. It's another reason why I like Engine Coin. Decentraland, how much more can it grow at a $5 billion market cap? Sandbox, almost 4. How much more can it grow? Axie Infinity is probably the least safe bet here because if the game flops, then that flops. Now, Gala, if it doubled, it would still be where these are. So I just think there's a lot of room to grow because Gala, in my opinion, is better than Axie Infinity as far as the games. There's way more of a circulating supply. That's the thing. But then again, Axie's at 50. This is at a quarter. So that offsets that right there. So I don't know. If you want the real money, you go to these ones down here. Some of these. But the thing about these ones, they're a little more speculative. Like, are these going to be awesome in the future? You need to do your own research on that. But is Gala? Probably. A lot of people are looking at Gala. They got that Farm Town Star game. They got Spider Tanks. They got a bunch of games coming out. Now, let's say we go 3 years in the future and Gala Games has like 50 games and like 5 of them are massively popular. They got the next Call of Duty. They got the next World of Warcraft type thing. This market cap all of a sudden goes to here. All of a sudden it goes to 10 billion, which is possible. We're looking at huge gains here. So, that's all I got to say. I just wanted to let you know that there's about to be a breakout. So watch that. If it does break out, it's probably going to fly. If it doesn't, it'll get stuffed and fall back in that trend, end up here again, and then probably still break out. So that's my opinion, not investment advice. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.